Hi everyone, thank you for watching Drew's Corner and welcome back again for another episode of Drew and Tell. And today we will be having another unboxing episode. Unboxing episode natin ay related doon sa kape tayo. And this is very special because ito ay pinadala ng may-ari mismo ng kape tayo. Kasi nakita niya na pinicture ko yung kanilang product sa YouTube and sa YouTube channel ko. And now, I am doing an unboxing again and to show you how to brew your own favorite coffee. And right now, I unbox natin yung other flavors naman kasi sabi niya, different flavor daw yung binigay niya. So, I haven't unboxed it yet. Syempre, that's why we're having an unboxing episode. And here you go. Medyo may sira lang kasi dumating kanina sa courier. So, pero ayan. Okay? So, sabay-sabay natin i-unbox. Here we go. And of course, before we will open this one, guys, I would like to thank the owner of Kape tayo, Maruth Tiongson Panganiban, and also distributor Gia Evangelista. Thank you so much. At talagang, so very generous, and now meron na naman panibagong unboxing. So I'm so excited to open this one, guys, kasi bagong flavor na daw ulit. Okay, let's unbox this. Ayun na. Alam mo, favorite ko talaga unbox ako kasi, hindi pa, syempre, excited at saka hindi natin alam kung anong yung nasa loob. Ito na lang, sisirain ko na lang ha. Sisirain na lang natin. Ganun daw kasi. Ay! Oh my God, may ano ulit. May box ulit. May pa-note. Sir Drew and Josh, yung aking partner. Ay, nako. Ang sweet naman. Maruth and Gia, thank you so much. The owner of, ayan po. Saan ba hindi makita? Pero yan, Kape tayo owner. To Sir Drew and Josh. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Ayan, nakalagay pa siya sa mini pin or mini clip. Thank you so much. Ayun na. I'm so excited. Pangalawang unbox ko na to sa Kape tayo, but I'm always very excited pag nag-unbox ng mga item. And this is the second one. My God! Yung sinabihan niya ako, napapadala nila ako ng flavor. I'm so excited talaga. Sabi ko, ang naman ang arte. Na-appreciate ko lang kasi 'di ba? Syempre, we also need to support yung mga kind of businesses kasi supporting each other lang. And I'm so thankful na nakita nila yung opportunity and nakita nila yung video. And it's an opportunity of also marketing your own business, and also it's a win-win situation din kasi ayan na, guys. Oh my God. Ito na. Bubuksan na natin. Papaganon ko na lang. Ano kaya? Ay! Oh my God! Ay, may pamag sila. May pamag naman this time. Ayan. May pamag this time. Oh my God. Ayan, meron na kaming mug. Kape tayo. Thank you so much, Kape tayo. Thank you. Oh my God, I appreciate it a lot. Very much. Ayan, dalawa pa. Siyempre sa akin at saka sa aking partner. Oh my God. Diba? May pamag sila. Gusto nyo yun? And of course, dalawang flavor. Aba, bagong na to bagong packaging. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Mas maganda yung packaging nila ngayon. Maganda din naman yung last time kasi simple and then madaling pero ito medyo, 'di ba? Mas parang golden, 'di ba? Lakas makasosyal. Ganon. Ay, sorry. Sorry, na-excite lang. Sorry. Ayan, diba? Ganda nung packaging. This one is caramel and this one is Sagada Arabica Dark. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kape tayo. I can't wait to try these flavors. And of course, guys, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo paano ba mag-brew ng perfect na coffee. So, later on, makikita nyo yan after this video. And yun, guys, again, if you want to order Kape tayo, just visit their Facebook page and then contact them for more details and also to place your order. And madali lang guys, puntahan nyo lang yung kanilang Facebook page, message nyo lang sila, and then mag-reply na agad yan sa inyo kung anong klaseng flavor ang kukunin ninyo. At meron din silang yung mga French presser, coffee maker, ganun. So go ahead and visit their Facebook page in Kape tayo. And here you go guys. Thank you so much Kape tayo again for this cute little mugs and to these two flavors. I'm so thankful and for giving this out to us. And again guys, I'll show you right now kung paano mag-brew ng perfect coffee. Before we end this one, I would like to say thank you again for watching Drew's Corner and our segment for today, Drew and Tell. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated anytime. See you on the road. Bye! If you want to see more of my episodes and other featured videos, just check these videos, including this episode. See ya!